How to fix Meta Business Suite not uploading photos and videos. So first, you're gonna check if the media you uploaded is not corrupted and uses a common format like JPG, PNG, MP4, or like MOV. For videos, Meta does say that uploading problems can happen when the video does not match the required size or the placement specs. So you can take a look at a file's properties to see if it suits it or if it's okay to upload to your post. But if it is, you can continue to the next thing, which is to pretty much just refresh the site. So close the Meta Business Suite if you want to, but in this case, you can just reload it as well. Then try re-uploading it again. If you are on browser, you can refresh the page, log out, and log back in. And if you are mobile, you can fully close the app and reopen it. The next thing you can do is to try clearing cache or switching browsers or devices. But if you are in a browser and you're doing your Meta Business Suite, go ahead into your settings, then search for something like cache or app cache. Then you can just clear it from here. You can choose to clear your browsing data now, or this over here. Just go ahead and toggle this. You can also make sure you still have permission and account connection to that page. Make sure you still have access to the Facebook page or account you're posting to, since publishing errors can still happen because of permission issues. And if none of those work, you can try a smaller file and uploading that media to the post. You can try rename the file, do whatever you can try to make the file itself smaller. You can even remove special characters from the file name and try uploading one file at a time. If it still fails, you can check meta status or wait a bit, because sometimes Business Suite upload issues are caused by temporary platform bugs. And of course, make sure your connection or internet is stable, since that's one of the first things you should be checking as well. But hopefully one of those options does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.